In Google Earth Engine, sometimes we need to run a part of code. Suppose we need to run this part of code. Then we can select rest of the code and remove. But this is not very convenient because we need to copy those code to somewhere else and paste again. But there is a solution. We can comment out the code that we do not want to run. For that we use double slash for any line. If we use the double slash in the beginning of line, that line will be converted to a comment. But this is also not very convenient for long codes. Here we can use JavaScript block commenting, 1// and asterisk. Then rest of the code will be commented out. If we need to comment out codes in the middle, then we can finish the block commenting using star and / again. The codes between these is now commented out and the rest of the code will work. But there is another easy solution. We can easily comment out any selected portion, such as if we select this part and press Ctrl and / key together, then all will be commented. And again, if we want to uncomment this portion, just select this and Ctrl / key. It will be uncommented. This is the most easy option to comment and uncomment any code in Google Earth Engine.